Hi everyone, welcome back to Hiru Handmade Crochet. I'm Hiruni from Hiru Handmade, and in this tutorial I'll guide you through the full process of making these beautiful crochet heart earrings, perfect for Valentine's Day, gifts, or even to sell. This pattern is beginner friendly, and if you prefer written instructions, the PDF pattern with clear step-by-step photos is available to purchase in my YouTube shop. All the materials used in this tutorial can be purchased from Amazon, and I've added the purchase links in the description box below. If you'd like custom or dedicated patterns, feel free to follow me on Facebook page Hiru Handmade and send me a message. I'd love to hear from you. This is the material I'm going to be using today. This is 100% cotton along with the 1.75mm crochet hook. Let's get started with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your index finger twice and then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through the ring. In the first round I'm going to chain 3. So yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain, and this is the third chain. And then we will work 3 treble crochets into the magic ring. To make the treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. This is a treble crochet. We need to make 2 more trebles. So yarn over twice, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Again make 1 more treble crochet. Now we need to make 4 double crochets into the magic ring. So yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. That is a double crochet. We need to make 3 more double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. We have completed 4 double crochets into the magic ring now, and then I'm going to make 1 treble crochet into the magic ring. So yarn over twice, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and then 4 double crochets again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then work 3 treble crochets into the magic ring. 1, 2 and 3. And then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to pull this tail to close the magic ring like this. Before closing it completely, I'm going to work a slip stitch into the magic ring. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and then pull through the loop. With that I have completed the first round, and then I'm going to pull this tail very tight to close the magic ring like this. This is what we have completed, and then we need to get started with the second round On the second round, I would like to work over this tail so that it will get hidden inside the stitches. First, we need to move the loop into this chain 3 space here. So I will insert the hook into the chain 3 space and work a slip stitch. So yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. And then work 2 single crochets into the same chain 3 space. So we will go into the same chain 3 space again, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is a single crochet. Again work another single crochet into the very same chain 3 space. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both the loops. And then I'm going to go into the next 3 stitches here and work 3 double crochets into each stitch. So we will go into the first stitch here and work 3 double crochets first. So yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Again 2 more double crochets into the very same stitch. 1 and 2. With that we have completed 3 double crochets into the same stitch. And then go into the very next stitch here and work another 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Again 3 double crochets into the next stitch here. 1, 2 and 3. Then work 1 double crochet into each one of the next 4 stitches. So we will work 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, again 1 double crochet into the next stitch and 1 double crochet into the next stitch here. And then into the next stitch I'm going to work 1 double crochet and then work 1 triple crochet into the same stitch, then chain 1, work a slip stitch into the base stitch here. So insert the hook into both the loops of the base stitch, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. That completes the slip stitch. And then work 1 triple crochet into the very same stitch, then work 1 double crochet into the same stitch. That creates the point of the heart. And then go into each one of the next 4 stitches and work 1 double crochet into each stitch. 1 double crochet, again 1 double crochet, again 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet into the 4th stitch. And then work 3 double crochets into each one of the next 3 stitches. So 3 double crochets into the next stitch, 1, 2 and 3. Again 3 double crochets into the next stitch, 1, 2 and 3. Again 3 double crochets into the next stitch here, 1, 2 and 3. can go into this chain 3 space here and work 2 single crochets again. So insert the hook into the chain 3 space, through, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Again, 1 more single crochet into the same chain 3 space. After that, I'm going to go into the stitch here, which is the starting point of the second round, and then work a slip stitch to join the round, like so, and then leave a little tail, and I'm going to cut the yarn off. After that, you can use the yarn needle to hide the tails. If you want the earrings to be firm, you can use a water-based glue, mix it with a little water, apply it on the crochet piece and let it dry completely. Once dry, attach the jump rings and earring hooks to complete the earrings. Now I will show you how to join the pieces together to complete the earrings. I'm going to attach the jump ring to the crochet piece from this place. That is completely optional, so if you want, you can attach the jump ring in the middle as well. And then I'm going to attach another jump ring, and then open the second jump ring and slide the hook ear wire in, and that's it. This is what the completed earring will look like, and you can do the same thing to complete the other one as well. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this crochet heart earring tutorial and found it helpful. If you try this pattern, I'd love to see your creations. Don't forget to tag me or send me a message on Facebook. Please like this video, share it with your crochet friends, and subscribe to my channel for more crochet earring patterns and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy crocheting and happy Valentine's Day!